Hi everybody, my name is Laura and I'm here to just show you my idea, my stupid good idea. You know how you have those stupid good ideas? Well, I think this is a really good idea. One, it's going to help with the climate and hopefully save lives and save animals and everything, etc., etc. Basically what it is, it's just a bunch of drones that are pulled together by a piece of cloth, which is programmable, and those drones come up whenever you want them. You're programming them. They can move with a tilt of the sun, but what it is it's just creating this massive sunshade that would shade whatever you want from the sun for the whole day or just a couple hours. Like pretend it's cattle or pond or even iceberg or stadium or even neighborhoods, because you could get a bunch of these lined up and they're just helping shade something for a period of time. The drones should be solar powered. The fabric should be very lightweight and foldable, and when it's done, it would have a base where it would land and say it would fold up and it would charge, and it could be programmable to however you would like it to go. Also, it could come in different sizes. So let's say it's very large, like a football stadium size, or the cloth is very small, like so it's a personal drone. So let's say it's just for a worker working in the desert where this is kind of just following him around. Like say it's got some type of transmitter you're wearing and then your little drone shade follows you around, keeping you in the shade. If you wanted to do stadiums or things like this, then you could have the shade, it could be printed or something like that to where you could do advertisements. So if you're flying and keeping it over a stadium, you can do advertising. It can also be used to divert rain and keep rain off of a certain area. Let's just say you have a couple of them lined up in a certain way where you're diverting the rain into culverts, or you're just simply using it as a simple umbrella to keep something out of the rain. Say it's even like a small village or cattle or whatever it is, right? But I think it's a great idea, I think, and I'm calling it Sky Shade or Skybrella. See it? There it goes. Coming up. East to west. It's blocking the sun, keeping your place in the shade. And it's like 100 feet in the sky or something like that. It needs to be experimented with and stuff, but I think it's a good idea. I think, we need to figure out how to cool the earth down, and we need to figure out how to control the rain a little, and especially the heat, though. I think, we could use it for cattle and villages that are just dying of the heat these days. And of course, have to figure out how we handle the wind. It's not going to make it in a very windy area. But when things are hot, things are still and stifling, like the desert, even here in the United States, the Mojave Desert, it would be so nice to keep your house in the shade. Think of all the electricity you could save and how you could ease the electrical grid by keeping even whole neighborhoods in the shade. But anyway, that's my idea. I'm hoping someone would like it and just take it and do it. Give me some kickback in the credit. Yay!